My people, una welcome to another ogbonge informate with una crypto babe. Today na important matter I carry come on our table, and our topic today na 8 things wey you need to know before you invest your money for cryptocurrency. Number 1, cryptocurrency no be get rich scheme. That is, if you dey find sharp money, then you need to check another place. So if you wan buy with 5 naira, come get 1000 naira sharply, check another place, my brother. Number 2, cryptocurrency no be mmm. You no need to invite 10 people before your rank go high. You no even need to refer people unless say na wolf coin wey dem dey call airdrop na you dey find. Number 3, to use cryptocurrency you need wetin dem dey call wallet. This wallet e be like bank wey go hold your cryptocurrency for you. You fit download one wey dem dey call blockchain wallet to use hold your cryptocurrency. Number 4, you also need to get exchange when you go buy from. Most Nigerian people dey use Luno or Remitano. You too, you fit check am out, make you try them. Number 5, one of the most common ways when people dey use invest in Bitcoin na to buy am when e cheap, come hold am till when the price go high. Number 6, no be only Bitcoin you fit invest in. Other cryptocurrencies dey. We get cryptocurrency like Ethereum. We get one wey dem dey call Ripple. E get another one wey dem dey call Litecoin. Even one wey dem dey call EOS dey. All this na cryptocurrency wey you fit invest in. Number 7, cryptocurrency be like man wey get epilepsy. The price fit go down shock you. Na im make oyibo say the price is volatile. So if you buy Bitcoin now or any other cryptocurrency when the price dey 30,000 naira, the price come fall go 15,000 naira, no talk say na scam, because you fit buy am make the price come rise go 60,000 naira too. Number 8, oyibo man talk say do your own research. Now this one important pass for wetin we dey even talk, because you need to find out more. No go do over sabi chook hand inside pot when food never done. Make sure say you understand before you buy. Na wetin I get for una today be this. No forget to like, share and click that subscribe button. I still remain una one and only crypto babe with ogbonge informate. See you next time.